And we are back to reality and the beautiful Nordic slash Scandinavian climate in Stockholm, Sweden, and this beautiful nature reserve. Yes, it is 4th of September and it is beach day number 126. And we're gonna take a swim here in Flaten Nature Reserve. And if you can see, I have tan, a lot of tan, because I was for 7 days on vacation in Cyprus. And the beach that I visited, the beach spot that I visited before going on vacation, was only 200 meters away from here in this beautiful nature reserve. A more hidden rocks that can be used as nudist. And this spot over here is right on the road, so it's just a normal bathing spot, I would say. And it is quite amazing indeed. And we have a very warm day here in Sweden, 22 degrees Celsius right now, and it is exactly 12:00. So I'm here for a lunch swim, and it took me around 8 kilometers to reach this from my home. So easy 20 minutes bicycle ride. So yeah, I'm a bit happy that I'm continuing the beach adventures in Sweden. It was around 30 degrees in Cyprus, but under the sun it felt like 40 plus, to be fair. And here I also feel a bit warmer than it is. And we're gonna check out also the temperature of the water, because it was 30 degrees in Cyprus every day from morning to evening. So we're gonna see how it is here. And the water here is super clean and clear, and I can see many fish that are floating around. And yes, this is the Flaten Nature Reserve, as I mentioned. It has nice hiking trails as well as biking trails also, and of course lake to take a swim in. If I remember correctly, it was 18 or 19 degrees in the water before I left for vacation on the spot 200 meters away from here, or maybe further, maybe 300 or 400 meters, I'm not sure. So yeah, you have been seeing lots of Cyprus videos. I have posted so far around 13, but there will be plenty more to come, because I really explored so many beaches in Cyprus during my 7 days. And I had an average of 32,000 steps per day. So that's a lot. But that's also counting the steps that I did while I was in the water, because I didn't walk that much. But all the steps are steps. And look at that. Here you can also easily enter from the rocks, and it's beautiful, and the water looks super amazing. And yes, also this spot over here is facing east, so there will be sun here until 1 or 2 p.m. in September. So yeah, let's not wait any longer and enjoy this beauty over here. Look at that. Look at that. We can see also Flaten Badet, the public beach on the other side, without any people on it. Yes, I am probably the only person in the lake right now. And yes, the water temperature is a bit of a shock compared to the one I was swimming in yesterday in Protaras, Cyprus. But hey, we need to embrace the Nordic culture over here and the Nordic climate, and just enjoy as much as we can, because the sun is out. Beautiful Monday to start the week. Let's go! Whew. Oh, no, that was a temperature shock, but it's 19 degrees, so still quite warm in the water. Yeah, super warm, despite having quite of a cold week here in Stockholm while I was away for vacation. But this lake is quite small, so it will not get cold easily again. But yeah, for me it's a shock because it is 11 degrees colder than the water I was swimming in yesterday, obviously. But yeah, cool. Then let's wrap up today's beach adventure here in Flaten Nature Reserve in the beautiful Flaten Badet in Stockholm municipality. And yeah, let's continue now the Sweden beach adventures as much as we can up until November is my estimation. So let's see. Thanks a lot and follow for more beach adventures with Chris!